Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. FileZilla is a software that supports data transfer between two VPS or servers over the internet using FTP protocol. In this video, we will show you how to set up FileZilla Server. First of all, log into the server as an administrator. Please refer to how to connect VPS via RDP at the link we put on the screen for more details. Now, you need to download and install FileZilla Server. We will put the download link below the video description. Open FileZilla Server and connect with default set. Select the server. Configure section. Then enter the IP address information of VPS or server and port FTP. Select user. Add. Enter user, default here is administrator. And enter password. Then select the mount point section to share folders. Add. Select the folder where the VPS or data need to be moved. Select the passive mode setting and enter the port range. The distance will need to include the port you just set up. Example, 300 to 400. After setting up, open the firewall to add one rule for FTP. Select Advanced Settings. Select Inbound Rules. New Rule. Select Port. Select Specific Port. Enter the port range that we have just set up, 300 to 400. Click Next. And name this rule. Now, we're needs to transfer data to, you download and install FileZilla client at that. We will put the download link below the video description. Then open FileZilla client. Enter the IP address in the host section and enter the username, password, and port of the server or VPS to install the FileZilla server that was initially set up. Quick connect. Finish setup and transfer data from one VPS to another by dragging and dropping the folder.